As we age, the contours and firmness in our skin begin to fade. With each passing year, we long for the beautiful, smooth skin of our youth. In fact, people have spent thousands of years and billions of dollars searching for ways to maintain a youthful appearance, creating customer confusion about where to turn for real anti-aging solutions. Fortunately, now you can embrace the look of youth with ageLOC Tru Face Essence Ultra. Formulated with the power of Ethicin, an anti-aging ingredient that has been clinically proven to improve the key component of firm skin, Nu Skin's firming specialist now also employs revolutionary anti-aging science, targeting the sources of aging that lead to the loss of firmness. Together, ageLOC and Ethicin deliver unsurpassed effects for firmer-looking skin. Elastin is a protein in the skin and connective tissue that allows many tissues in the body to snap back into place when stretched and to maintain their elasticity and firmness. Younger skin has abundant levels of elastin, but over time, our elastic fibers degenerate and elastin production slows down. As elastin decreases, skin starts to sag and lose its resilience.
Hi, I'm Chantel Bernison, the biochemist and inventor of Ethicin, a clinically proven anti-aging ingredient. Ethicin is a unique molecule that has the power, the ability to promote increased skin elasticity and help restore and contour skin to a more youthful firmness. Clinical studies at major university medical centers have revealed that after only 3 months of using Ethicin, participants aged 40 to 77 averaged a 166% increase in their elastin content.
ageLOC Tru Face Essence Ultra is formulated with Nu Skin's revolutionary anti-aging science, targeting the sources of aging related to firmness to preserve the look of youth.
People have spent thousands of years and billions of dollars searching for youth, but Nu Skin has discovered the key to looking, feeling, and living younger. With exclusive anti-aging science, our Nu Skin scientists have discovered functional YGCs that are linked to aging. By targeting the firming YGC, we believe we can develop formulations to improve sagging skin and skin contour and definition to help the skin look more firm and youthful. In third-party clinical studies, after using ageLOC Tru Face Essence Ultra, over 55% of the subjects reported improvements both in overall firmness and firmness around the eyes in as little as 1 week. By week 12, an impressive 80% of subjects were showing improvements in these same areas. These results are among the highest response to a Tru Face Essence product that Nu Skin has ever seen in these time frames.
ageLOC Tru Face Essence Ultra also contains a powerful antioxidant network featuring CoQ10, colorless carotenoids, and other antioxidants to help protect elastin fibers from damaging free radicals and prevent the ongoing effects of aging. Apply ageLOC Tru Face Essence Ultra twice daily to your face, neck, and even hands for a more youthful, radiant appearance. Simply massage ageLOC Tru Face Essence Ultra onto your skin in an upward-outward motion. For optimal results, ageLOC Tru Face Essence Ultra can easily be added to your daily Nu Skin regimen. Leave undefined skin in the past and enjoy firmer, younger-looking skin today and in the future with ageLOC Tru Face Essence Ultra.